Hello and welcome back to Lumosity. Check this out. Raindrops is new. Or rather, the Raindrops version is new. And 2 plus 2 is somewhat simpler than 2 plus 4. However, the simplest equation of all, 0 plus 0, because the answer is also 0, so I have to know one number. Well, turns out it's 1 plus 1. Duh. 0 is a complicated concept. It didn't occur in anyone's mind until about 1,000 years ago. Raindrops. Where? It's complicated. But what about when something's nothing? Then it's just nothing. Then there's the concept of a 0 being like like you can multiply by a non-value, divide by a non-value. Okay, well you can't really do that. But you can divide a 0 by something. Can't you? Or does that also get something weird? Is that it? I seem to remember that gets something weird to happen. I think it depends on how you got there in the first place. In this game uses the number keys, another key. If you try to use your numpad, you will be faced with the cruel reality that you don't have one. Yes, this episode is here to show you why I will only play the other Raindrops game with the keyboard. Because in this, with my keyboard, the numpad. But in this case, it's not new, it's beta, so I don't care about. You can also use the keypad if you have one. And if you don't, you will not be given credit as though you did, even though you, obviously are not going to do as well without one. I'll say it's extraordinarily hot in here. Yeah. Translation 73 and unacceptable. I'm gonna be right back. You have to get a keyboard to turn the air conditioner down. It's a little weird, strange. Really, it's not quite what it's used to. Yeah, it's not not the distraction, not the pause that anyone would expect. It's I type the answer to the math problem. Alright. 5 minus right. Yes, of course. Solve the problem in the sun to make all the raindrops disappear. Yeah, oops, I did it accidentally. Oops. Nice work. This game ends on 3 raindrops hit the water. So quickly to get a high score. Let's play. Okay. So, I see there is a stylized lake at the bottom. And there, drifting by, is a stylized cloud. I like the graphical style because if you look at it, it doesn't look too bad. But at the same time, it doesn't really grab your attention. Also, it's kind of, well, that's it. That's it. It looks nice, but doesn't grab your attention. And it's simple, so even if it does grab your attention, you'll quickly get bored of it and move on. That's great in every way. Because, sorry, just thinking for a moment. Yeah, because, why are you thinking? There's different music when that happens. And the sky gets all yellowish. It's a setting sun. I don't think you've ever spoken over one of these raindrop sessions, old man. I don't feel like you've been here before. Well, I've always been with you. Oh, so often when you were a toddler. Oh, so boring.
Oh! Hey, that's the number you just popped, that equation. No, it didn't pop when the... Oh, dear! Oh, my gosh!
Shut up, I need to focus now. The level has just upped itself. It's time for the tough to get going, because the guns got tough. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Oh, dear. I wonder if that's the sign that a level has... Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! Oh, no! No! Oh, phew. What is this? What does it appear as... Oh, dear. Oh, dear. What? Oh, dear. Oh, dear. Oh, dear. I was going to say something about it not being as hard. Yeah. Nah. You know, after we failed. Okay.
What was that about?
Who knows? I just felt like humming something to myself. Just that one moment there.
Oh, we don't ever feel that way again. Oh, I just barely survived. Oh.
Sorry about that. Oops. Oh dear. Ah, gosh. Returned.
That's not what drowning sound like.
On to Disillusion. It loads, and it goes. What's this? Cards? A glove? A white glove like that worn by a magician? And I do say magician because a wand.
A wand like a Harry Potter wand?
No, a, white-tipped wand, like a magician's wand.
You know that like 70% of magic is actually sorcery, right?
No, I don't know that, and it's not true either.
Well, you said you did not, and you said you know it's not, or you implied that you know that it's sorcery. It's not sorcery. So you did, you sort of, yeah, you backtracked when you say like something like that. Like, I'm not sure how you use the words.
Oh gosh. Just be a sport. Let me focus on the episode, on doing well, because this is a makeup session, yes? We're making up for lost time. Let's make up for lost scores.
You know, it's funny, because you make good scores only when you're not recording.
Not true. Just more when I'm not recording. Just lot better scores generally, but not like they're always bad.
No, always. Oh my God, but that one was, fell.
No. Oh my gosh. That is unacceptable. I know I'm capable of so much more. You've got to be kidding me. I didn't make it to the best level. I am not the best.
Well,
no. I'm gonna play this again some other day. That's just wrong. What happened?
Let's think. You failed.
What is wrong with my internet? I'm not on this page. I'm on this page. I'm not even on that page. Oh, gosh. Is it breaking? Is my internet broken? Rhythm Revolution, come on. I need a break from speaking because the speech is getting really boring.
No kidding.
Send loaded. Okay. Right. Here we go. Talk about your basic melodies. Easy. Nah. It was okay. I know I can do better. And that was better slightly, but I don't know if I can do this well on the next round. But that's not really an attitude I should be having, but I'll just be real, it's getting difficult. Difficult? Difficult? I'm sorry, did I say difficult? Perfection.
Not. You could have been a little better in time.
I'm still gonna call perfection the command. That's 100% accuracy.
Accuracy is not perfection.
No, perfect accuracy though. How do you like the timing there? Aside from the first note. Yeah, perfect timing. I just doubt my own abilities for my own performance. Well, close to perfect. Oh, God. That was just so fast. Not fair. Not fair. 93,450. I don't think this is a personal best, but it should be at least a top 5. Good top 5, too. And it is personal best. God damn. Well.
Prediction of score placement fail. Fail.
Well, I did win the game. That's all that matters, right?
No, you must do a good episode. You must be corrected or people won't trust you.
And what about you? People gonna trust you? Always tear me down. You know, me. Like they subscribe for me. Not to you. To me.
But I am you. So technically they do subscribe to me.
But not any more than me. No, not even a little bit more than me. Not even any different than me. It's me, man. It's all me. Alright, we've got some of this, some of that, some of this. Probably one of these. Don't know if there was or not, but you know, well, it's done now, so you know, it's done. Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no. Yes, yes, yes. Yes, in your face. Oh, your face. Didn't mean to do this, hopefully. Oh gosh. Hopefully it will turn out alright, yeah? And I don't know what's here, but you know, we should have it going regardless of what happens, yay?
That sounds like a risky strategy. Oh my gosh!
And we're done. Alrighty then, stop filling, please. Alright, sugar cube, sugar cube, sugar cube, cube. Oh. Alright, there's a bunch of those. And a bunch of... Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Okay, this... Oh, I didn't mean it that way. I didn't mean it that way either. No!
Let's try this again. Oh, you cheating.
Yes, me cheating. Alright, so I know what you're gonna get me, so let's just make random stuff. Surely someone will have ordered that stuff, am I right?
Maybe. Maybe not.
Okay, well, you're getting it. I don't care who you are. But you did order it, eh? Yeah, you did. Oh my gosh, are you serious? This stuff fills up in a heartbeat. Oh, gosh, stop heart beating. Just stop filling. Stop, no, stop beating your heart.
What if they do stop? What if they actually follow your advice? They could die.
They would be dead.
Oh, but that's terrible.
Yes, isn't it, though?
Well, yeah, of course it is. It's bloody terrible.
Yes, I know, right? People be all like, oh, that guy, CChesster, he told people to stop beating their heart, and they did. They were so devoted, they stopped their hearts from beating. Can you believe it? These idiots. I can't believe this guy. He's got this power over them. He's powerful. He's proud of his epic power. In fact, in the episode where he did it, he doubted his incredible power, even using our conversation as proof of his incredible epic power. What a messed up guy, eh? Why, my gosh, he's some kind of bad at this game, though. Man, people's hearts are still beating. Yep, there's some heartbeats, yeah. There's some heartbeats. And hunters, then, yep, there you go, veiled. Top 5 score, but I don't care, it's awful. It's awful.
Better than last time. Oh, but it's not like last time was good. It was bad.
Alright, let's go with Memory Match Overdrive. Actually, let's not. Let's go with Speed. No, let's go with River Ranger. No, let's go with Splitting Seeds.
Indecisive much?
Much indeed. Alright, 3, 2, 1. Now let's eat. Food. Oh, one's gonna be fat. The other's gonna be all like, oh, I'm starving to death. Except he's gonna have a better voice than that. So no one's going to actually suspect that he is in fact starving to death. Not that I'm starving to death, speaking in that voice. Quite the opposite, really. In fact, definitely the opposite. In fact, the opposite is probably the reason why I had that voice in the first place. But all that's weird, not necessarily to be told, stuff aside. I don't even know what that last speech was about. And also, I knew that would be a fail, but I did anyway, because I'm feeling like being stupid today. That was just amazing. Talking about splitting seeds, right? Oh dear. Oh my god, I can't believe they worked. Yeah. Epic win. Oh, epic fail. So what, am I really supposed to count these? Because I don't know how I can have good accuracy, which I apparently need to have. Oh, I knew the difference there. Oh my gosh! But how am I supposed to estimate? You've got to be kidding me if you think I'm supposed to... I'm going to count these up without estimating, alright? There's no way that anyone does well in this game. It's just ridiculously hard. Of course, I might be able to devise a strategy to cheat. Eh? What if I were to pause the game every time?
Let's stop this right here. There is no pause.
Oh. Right. No pause. Okay, well, if there was a pause, I would simply take a screenshot, pause, and then I'd go work it out with Simon, and I'd come back and do the stick, and then we'd be good. Yeah?
Gear? Gear? No! It won't stop spinning! It's all spinning away! No!
Oh. It all spun back. So you get to see how bad I did. Oh, wonderful. Should have ended the episode before that happened. Yeah. Well, it's good to end, so thanks for watching it, and goodbye.